Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and as well we will create one high quality article submission backlink on this site. And if you guys can publish your article on that site, your 100% chances to your article should be going to index on Google SERP. So this is the website dashboard. So before the started, we can show something about that website. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 70, and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing a 14.3k total visits, and the mostly traffic from India, Germany, Pakistan, UK, and the Indonesia. So this site having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic, source brand building from that kind of country, so must you guys can publish your article on that site. So now we have completed our research process, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So you guys can see this is a website dashboard. There is a register button, you guys can click over there, and there you guys can add your email address and your company name, and you can click on the register button. Once you guys can click on this, you guys are able to access this site. So after that, you guys can click on the sign in button, and you will see this is your black strip. So you guys can simply hover top of the right corner, there is a edit profile button. You guys can click over there, and you guys can directly access this site. And after that, there you guys can add your first name and your display. There you guys can, in the website section, there you guys can add your website URL, and in this section, biographical information, there you guys can add your company description. And if you wanting to upload a picture, so you guys can first create your Gravatar account, and then after that you guys can click on the update profile button, and you will see your profile is created on this site. And after that, if you wanting to publish any article, so what you guys can do, this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. You guys can simply click on the post button, and you guys can select your any article. So right now I don't have a fresh article, so what I can do, I can go to copy throughout my website. So this is what I have recently published on my site. So simply only for your reference, I am going to publish one article on this site. So suppose that this is a title for my article. So simply you guys can click on the add new post button, and there you guys can add your title. And after that, you guys can simply open your image in new tab, and there you guys can add one banner image. So this is a gallery. You guys can simply click, and you can click on the image button, insert from URL. You guys can simply paste your image URL, and you will see this is your banner image. And after that, what you guys can do, simply click on this. I guess there is, let me delete this. After that, we will, once we add our article, after that we will upload, after that we will add a banner image on this site. So simply you guys can add your content. Let me add all this. Let me copy all content, and I'm going to add. So you guys can see I have added a content on this site. So now the time is to we can add a banner image. So simply you guys can click over there and you can make it click for the enter button, and from there you guys can add a gallery. Oh sorry, gallery is not, we need to add a image box, not gallery. I think that's why these things are happening. So there you guys can insert your image URL and you can click on the next button and you will see the your banner is inserted. Now the time is to you guys can create a hyperlink your backlink. So simply you guys can select any of the keyword and you guys can insert your website URL from this method, and this is higher with heart. So let me select higher with heart, but there is no any keyword related to this. So once you guys can add your article, now the time is to you guys can click on the, now the time is to you guys can update your meta title and the description of this blog. So simply you guys can copy throughout my website, because right now I don't have fresh article, so that's why only for the video creation process purpose are doing these things. And after that you can click on the submit for review button and you will see this is you can click on the view preview and you will see this is your content, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. Once your article, if your article going to approve, so your article backlink should be going to do follow. Okay, and after that I will show you the one your profile backlink, how you guys will get your profile backlink. So simply you guys can click on the edit profile button, and from there you guys can see there is a dashboard. You can click on the dashboard button and you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% instant approved do follow backlink, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we have created profile and the article submission backlink on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so please it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.